In Analyze Like a Scientist, we are going to use a simple device called Newton cradle. Newton cradle. A lot of people like to buy this cradle because of its special way of moving. طيب ايه special way of moving؟ بيتحرك ازاي يا ترى؟ Try to think about this. Why? When we pull the first ball, then we let it go. The last ball starts moving back and forth. تعالوا نشوف كده. Although the balls in the middle didn't move. ايه اللي بيحصل هنا؟ ليه لما سبت أول كورة آخر كورة اتحركت والكورة اللي في النص كانت تقريبا شبه ثابتة؟ Do the balls will keep moving or they will stop? When I asked that question to a student in my class called Muhammad, he said that the cradle will keep on moving and will not stop. قال كده ليه؟ Because the balls keep gaining energy from one another, so there is nothing going to stop them. But Hiba had a different opinion and said that they will stop at some point because the ball's speed will be slow due to the friction between the balls. Friction كانت قوة الاحتكاك. So their kinetic energy will be less over time till it disappears and they stop. So who do you think have the right answer? Muhammad or Hiba? I want you to write your opinion in your notebook. Then let's watch the video together to know who has the right answer. While you are watching, try to draw pictures describing the energy transformations from the cradle movement or the first moment of pulling back the first ball. عايزاكم تجربوا ترسموا اللي انتوا شايفينه في الفيديو. Okay? Let's watch the video.
Have you ever seen one of these? It's called a Newton's cradle. A row of 5 silver balls, usually made of steel, is suspended from a frame by thin wire. Sometimes adults like to have a Newton's cradle as a desk toy at work. Watch out, they can be mesmerizing. But what's going on here? When the outermost ball at one end is pulled back and released, the balls in the middle hardly move, but the outermost ball at the opposite end is pushed away from the frame. A Newton's cradle is a good demonstration of energy transfer. The ball that you pull has potential energy, which converts into kinetic energy when you let it go and causes it to collide with the next ball. The energy is then transferred down the line. It's only when the energy is transferred to the outermost ball at the opposite end that there is significant movement, because it doesn't have another ball to transfer its energy to. Now let's look. If you pull 2 of the balls, what's going to happen? Why do you think the energy here is able to move 2 balls at the other end?
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا المستقبل يبدأ الآن.